Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. It's great to have you here once again. In this video, I've got a question for you. Would you like to make $5 per minute by making short and simple videos? If you answered yes to that question, then definitely be sure to watch this to the very end, because in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make $5, or maybe even more than that, with maybe like a minute or two of work. So I'm very excited for this one. If this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new content every single day that will show you how you can make money online, how to grow an online business, how to pretty much create passive income online. So if that's something that you enjoy, you want to learn more about how to create more of a passive income online, definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all the new videos I post on this channel. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the website that I wanted to actually discuss in this video is called Fiverr.com. This is actually a freelancing website if you are not familiar with it. This is pretty much where you could pretty much offer to do almost any service online, whether it is graphics and design, creating logos, whether it's game design, whether it's something about, Twitch, it could be digital marketing, it could be writing articles, it could be, doing translation, social media copy, video and animation, music and audio. I mean, there's a whole bunch of things that you could do on Fiverr.com. It's actually I believe one of the best platforms when it comes to making money online because it's very simple, very easy to get started. You don't need to, of course, invest anything up front, which is very great. And you could do pretty much almost anything on this platform. But in this video, I want to actually talk about one specific gig that I feel like is very easy to get started with, and it is spokesperson videos. Now, the reason why I wanted to mention spokesperson videos is actually because this is actually how I've made my very first dollar online in general, actually. It was from Fiverr.com, and it was through creating these short and simple videos. So essentially what I used to do is I would, someone would pay me to pretty much read a script on camera. That's pretty much all it was. So pretty much what spokesperson videos are is you get paid to read a script on camera. Very simple, very straightforward. And the benefit with this is that most of these videos that you could do will take you maybe around, like 1 to 2 minutes to complete. Very short, very simple, and you don't need any fancy equipment to really do this. But if I come to this, if you could search up spokesperson videos, you can just click it, right there under video and animation. But here we've got a list of sellers that are actually providing this service, and most of these people are charging anywhere from 5 to 10, 15. We've got a few more experienced people that are charging, like $50 per video. I will make a promotional video. I will produce a green screen professional video in Spanish. Let's see what else we got. I'll be your professional green screen video spokesperson for $175. So he's charging quite a premium for that. So the benefit with this is that yes, it is only $5, but keep in mind this is with usually around like a minute or two of work. Really, it really takes you really not that long to create one of these videos. You pretty much in my case, what I did is I had my I literally just had my phone and this laptop. I didn't have any fancy editing software or anything like that. Didn't look super professional, but I was able to actually get started with this, and this allowed me to make my very first few dollars online. So just to kind of give you an idea on what exactly this looks like, if I click on one of these gigs right here, I could check out exactly what they're offering. And if I click into this one right here, this is from his name, March Mill, I think his username is on here. Yeah, this is username right here. And I could actually preview exactly what he's offering right here. So to give an idea, I mean, I could just click play right here, and then we'll see exactly what that's all about right there. See if that wants to play. Play.
Hello, my name is Jasmine Dean.
Oh, it's lagging.
And I'm a professional actor and presenter from the UK. If you need a promotional video for your business, product or brand, then you have come to the right place.
Okay, it looks like my computer for some reason is lagging quite a bit, but you kind of get the idea. I mean, I could pay this person, $15 to pretty much read a script on camera, and then he'll get the video out to me within like a day or so. So it's very great in terms of that. Fiverr does take a 20% cut of every single sale that you make, so that is one thing that you have to be kind of, aware of. So if you get paid, $5, it's actually, $4. Let's say take like a 20%, cut of every sale that you make. But the benefit is that you could start charging $5, and then once you start getting some orders completed down the road, you start getting, some great feedback. Then you could start to increase your price. You can maybe charge $10 per video. You could do 20, you could do, 50 per video. It really depends on the overall quality. The higher production value, of course, the more you could, of course, charge per video. But this is a great way to start making some money online, especially if you have, nothing to invest up front. In my case, I didn't invest anything into this when I first did it. But to show you my personal results with this, if I, bring my face down here a bit, and I click on my profile, I'll go to profile right here, and then this will show me like my little earnings right here. If I go to earnings, this will show exactly how much I've, of course, made doing this. So I've been doing these spokesperson videos kind of on and off for, I kind of did them for like about 6 months to like a year. And in that time, I've made about $401.60 in total. Withdrawn, I made $396.60 there. And then used on purchases, I used 5 of those dollars to buy something off of Fiverr. But I've been paid out, around $396, from this platform right here. And most of it was through doing spokesperson videos. So literally all I would do is someone would give me a script to read on camera. I would get out my phone. Again, nothing too professional. Just my iPhone here. And I would just, have it, have it right in front of me there. Oftentimes I would have the script right behind this computer, right on this computer screen, so I can kind of see it as I'm reading. But I would, of course, do my best to keep my eyes focused on, like the lens, so that this way when they got the video, then it would look as if I'm actually saying it in the camera. So the reason why a lot of people are willing to pay for this service is because, for one, a lot of new companies out there that have, not too much of a track record, they are looking for good quality feedback on their business, their products, their brand. And, having videos where people, sharing their personal experience really helps to build up trust with their personal audience. So that is why most people will be ordering, these kinds of services from you, is because they want to build trust with their audience. So if they're, building up a business, whether online or offline, they want to get some personal feedback. And if you could provide them, with like a short video saying like, hey, I've had a very great experience, with this company right here. They've really helped me with, blah, 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 whatever, of course, they want you to say. You get that out to them, and then this helps with them building trust with their audience right there. So that is really what spokesperson videos are all about, and that's pretty much what I wanted to share in this video. But the downside with this, I do want to mention there is a bit of a downside with spokesperson videos, and actually doing anything on Fiverr for that matter, is that at the end of the day, you are still trading time for money. So in order to get paid, you don't get paid unless if you are actually working, so that is kind of the downside with it. But if you want to learn how to create more of a passive income online, if you want something that will truly support you long term, you could be working on your own terms and still getting paid, even when you're out and about doing other things, then my very first link in the description down below will give you access to my free training I put together. And that really goes over how to really build a long-term business through the concept of affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing, and you could pretty much, the benefit with affiliate marketing is that you could set up an entire business around the concept of selling other people's products, where you are pretty much the middleman. You recommend products and services to other people, and then whenever someone decides to buy one of the products that you recommend, then you get paid a commission there. So that is pretty much how affiliate marketing works. Anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Also, be sure to give this a like because it really does help the channel. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and take care.